Here's the before of the garage. It is a bunch of boxes that haven't been broke down yet. That's basically what I wanted to tackle for her. This garage was definitely a large source of stress for my sister that I thought that I could alleviate. I know it can be very overwhelming to tackle a project of this size, but that's why you want to split it up into fragments. You want to take it section by section, as small as sections as you need, as big as sections as you need. Just start somewhere and start left to right or right to left. One of the two, but not both. So you're going to want to do left to right, top to bottom when you're cleaning or when you're organizing. Pick a point in the room and start there and move your way around the room. And the rest will fall into place. And the after. Our mission is successful. If you look back in the video, this is where all the boxes laid. They're all gone. And up next, we have the before of a playroom of 2 little girls that are ages 3 and 4. During the making of this video, I had help from 2 little girls that were instructing me on where they wanted their toys to go and where they would be most beneficial to them. This day was actually one of the angels' birthdays, who I show in the beginning of this video. After the party, I was so glad that I could do this for them so they could stay organized. I know how some kids are, but I bet this system is still going strong for these 2 angels. We're nearing the end of the video. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you so much for your support. Have a blessed day, stay safe, and keep tidying.